Oh, somebody is getting on it. Camaro. Woo! Nice old Barracuda. Nice. I've been kind of waiting for that. Look at this sweet old ride. I would drive the shit out of this. An old T-Bird. Nice. Looks like the OG owner driving it too. We're gonna have Corvette on Corvette action here, people. At first I thought that was my uncle, but my uncle's got a convertible. That sounds pretty nice. I don't think you gotta go that slow. 70s, late 70s, 78 maybe? It appears to be with the wheels. As I told you people, it's just Corvette on Corvette on Corvette on Corvette. I mean, how many Corvettes would you like to see at one car show? That ain't no BS. The only way to shoot this car. Nice. We'll do it again with this. Nice old Vet. Now this Army Jeep, this Willys Jeep that's coming, I filmed this. I thought it was, I mean, whoever did this did an incredible restoration. That thing is exceptionally clean. I know it's a Willys Jeep, but it's still clean. Not really something at the car show, but something I pulled up. WRX STI. That was nice. Right? What were the big three car companies thinking back in the day? We have like Pepto-Bismol pink, right? Here. Pepto-Bismol pink. Don't get me wrong, they're nice. Then we've got the yellow one. It's like a Skittles selection. Pink, yellow, green. What color Skittles would you like? I'll just say yes, because I'll take all of them. Thank you. Nice little short bed Chev truck. I like how the mirrors are up on the A-pillar on that. Like a hunter green, very dark green. Whew, nice. I checked out this El Camino. I've seen it at several car shows. It's gonna turn. I'm a sucker for blue, so I like that. Looks like the original owner. All right, once again, looks like everybody's left. So for real this time, I'm out. Part 3 of 3. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, people. Thank you.